Hello, streamers. As you all know, streaming can significantly influence your channel's overall performance. Today in this video, we'll see how, thanks to Black Friday, you can save a considerable amount of money and also boost your channel's growth. It's a fact. Your channel earns when you're offline. The question is how much and from what? Live streams and smart monetization can double your RPM and revive a channel without new shoots. In our cases, plus 79% watch time, plus 80% revenue on a big channel, and times 11 yearly income in a music niche thanks to 24/7 streams. Let's explore these benefits together. We'll go through 3 stages. Here's the first option for you. What you should do if you want to extend your current subscription so you have a Start Plus subscription. You're completely satisfied with its capability, and you want to take advantage of the biggest Black Friday discounts to add more time to your current subscription. We have this feature available, and in this video, you'll see exactly how to go about doing it step by step. Let's look at an example. You already have an active subscription that suits you perfectly, but you want to extend your subscription period. There are 3-month, 6-month, or annual options, and with the annual one, you get the maximum discount. So, you choose an annual package. And let's say you do this on the 25th. You purchase the annual package. Our Black Friday starts on the 24th. And so instead of waiting until the last day, you can make your purchase on any of the Black Friday days. How does it work? The duration of the annual subscription you bought will be added to your current package. Or, if you chose the 6-month option, that will be added instead. That means it won't start from the moment you make the purchase. For example, if you buy it on the 25th, it will only take effect once your current package ends. So you definitely will not lose anything at all. You will simply use up your remaining 5 days, and then the annual package will automatically kick in. In this way, you have the opportunity to extend your current subscription period seamlessly. The algorithm favors content that holds attention longer. The path is simple: metadata, impressions, CTR, retention, higher RPM. In most niches, live streams drive longer sessions, which is why YouTube increasingly amplifies them. Now, let's look at another example. When you want to switch from one package to another, let's take a moment to consider a second example. Specifically, a situation that might occur when you wish to upgrade, purchase an additional term, and move to a different package. In this case, for instance, you also have Start Plus, which you purchased on the first day of the month, and it remains valid up to and including the 30th. On the 25th, during the Black Friday period, you make a purchase of the annual Pro Plus package, receiving the maximum available 40% discount. And in this situation, you're making an upgrade. That is, you're switching from one package to another. So what happens here at the moment of purchase? The system will calculate how many days you have left. You have some start days remaining. In this case, you're buying on the 25th, so you have 5 days left. The system will calculate the value of those 5 days based on your current package price, and you'll get an extra discount on top of the Black Friday discount for that amount. You don't need to buy an extra package or purchase another annual package for this. You simply add the annual package to your current one, and the validity period will be extended automatically. Is that clear? The price of the Pro Plus annual package will be reduced by the value of those remaining days. So when you upgrade from a lower package to a higher one, not only do you get the maximum Black Friday discount if you choose the annual plan, but those unused days will also be recalculated and credited towards your Pro Plus price as an additional discount. In this way, when you upgrade, you simply add the number of unused days, and those days are automatically factored into your new subscription cost, ensuring you never lose out on any value you have already paid for streams you want. Choose the package you want and get the maximum discount without losing anything in the process. In this particular case, what you need to do is go to the settings section of your application or website, then navigate to the area labeled Subscriptions. Once you're there, you should click on the 3 dots menu, which will give you the option to upgrade your plan. After selecting that, you will then need to hit the upgrade button to confirm your choice. Run parallel lives for different playlists and time zones. This is a standard growth play. Now, moving on to the third example. Let's say you simply want to add an additional subscription to your current one. If you're interested in getting another package or service, you can absolutely do that as well. You simply add the subscription on your current plan. If you want to add more, you can have several at once. You add a subscription, It redirects you to the annual package and you select Add. And now you'll have 2 subscriptions. So we've covered how to extend the duration of 3 subscriptions, how to upgrade your plan, and how to add a new subscription. Gyre streams your pre-recorded videos as a continuous cloud live. Your channel shows live now. The system sees activity and watch time stacks around the clock. Setup is simple.
What's Gyre? Gyre is the tool for launching continuous streams on YouTube. Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.